In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract email addresses from mail folders in Outlook. If you're using the classic Microsoft Outlook desktop application, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. Whether you're organizing a mailing list or pulling together contacts for a project, having an extracted list of email addresses can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, to get things started, we need to export the folder. Open Outlook and head over to the File menu. From there, click on Open and Export, and then select Import, Export. This will open up a wizard to guide you through the export process. You should choose Export to a File and then click Next. At this point, you'll need to select comma-separated values, or CSV, as your file type. Click Next to continue. Now it's time to decide which folder you want to extract emails from. This could be your inbox or perhaps a specific custom folder you've created for a project or client. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the exported file. Give it a name, maybe something descriptive so you can find it easily later, and click OK. Finally, click Next and then Finish to complete the export. This will create a CSV file on your computer containing the data from the selected folder. With the data exported, it's time to prepare it. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll notice that the data might be mapped by default. It's essential to clear any existing mappings you see to streamline your extraction process. Drag or select the fields we're interested in from the left panel to the right panel in Excel, which include from address, to address, CC address, and BCC address. At this juncture, we want to clean up the data. Begin by removing any columns that aren't relevant. Essentially, you want to keep only those containing email addresses. Next, to ensure you're working with valid emails, you should filter the From column to display rows that contain the @ symbol, eliminating any non-email entries that might have been exported inadvertently. Lastly, because we often encounter multiple copies of the same addresses, let's use the Remove Duplicates function. This is available in most spreadsheet programs and will help tidy up your list by eliminating any redundant entries. Once your list is polished and ready, save the clean data as a CSV file or a different format like TXT. Now, this list is ready to be used for whatever purpose you have in mind, whether that's compiling a mailing list or importing it into another application to enhance your workflow. And there you have it, a straightforward method for extracting email addresses from Outlook folders.